small toilet whispered in my ear the other day and told me that toilets worldwide are not happy. They say shit needs to change. Here are the things that toilets like to digest. Wee! And toilet roll. Things they don't like include tampons, sanitary towels, nappies, plasters, makeup wipes, cotton pads, condoms, cotton buds, cigarette butts, oil, grease and fat from the kitchen, and Easter bunnies. So why don't they like these things? Well, according to Southwest Water, our sewers are not designed to cope with modern disposable products such as nappies and cotton buds that are flushed down the toilet, and as a result these items can cause blockages and sewer flooding. Most people give very little thought to wastewater once it has left their home or business. With a little more care and thought about how we dispose of our waste, we can greatly improve the effectiveness of our drainage and sewer systems. In 2007, the Yorkshire Water Company spent £3 million clearing about 5,000 sewer blockages which had been caused by deposits of cooking fat, oil and grease. Remember, someone has to physically move something that is discarded down the toilet or sink by us. Western Water Company made this fantastic flowchart of how to identify if something is flushable or not. Is it a product of the body? If yes, then flush. If not, then don't. Is it traditional toilet paper? If yes, then flush. If not, then don't. But remember, some things can be labelled incorrectly as flushable or biodegradable, but they should not be flushed. Is it water? If yes, then flush. If not, then don't. Please don't flush and forget. What you put down the toilet matters. Thank you from Toilets Everywhere.